Okay, so this is another little game to get children used to collaborating and using Google Classrooms. It's a synonym game, and the idea is that we're going to have them all working on the same document. But again, I don't want to use Google Docs because it would cause too much chaos. So Sheets has got quite a nice function. So I'm going to go create. I'm going to go create Sheets. So create me a new sheet, and it'll open that one up. So I'm just going to look at the instructions to my game. I'm going to go to a row. So I could, and then there'll be a word in it. Now, it could be that I have each child has a number, or it could just be register order, or I could even in that first box, I could put their names. So we could have their names in here. But I'm going to have mine a little bit more organized. They're a bit used to this. So they're going to have a word. So I'm going to give, I don't know, I might have hot, I might have funny, I might have angry, I might have smelly, I might have funny, not funny again. I might have fast. I might have old. I might have happy again, happy in there, and so on. I could use the same words over and over again. I could even copy and repeat the pattern quite easily by dropping it along there. If I know who's which number, I can do a bit of differentiation in there as well to make life harder or easier as I need to. I could just give them all the same word one week. Again, I could change the game each time. All they're going to do then is they're going to come to their number. So say I was number 1. As soon as I click on it, I have to click in that square and start putting a synonym. So hot, boiling. And then I'd move on to the next square. So again, it's a race to see who can get the furthest across and how many different synonyms they can get. I've got the instructions written there. They know which row they're going to go to because that's their number or their name if I wanted to. And I don't want to view it. I certainly don't want to copy for each of them. I want them all on the same one. So they'll be able to see what each other are doing. Now, if they've got the same words, that could be a problem, but that might make it more of a competition. Or I could have different words all the way down. I could have all sorts of different things going on in that. So again, it's just a really quick activity to get them used to sharing and the way that the different sharing settings work and seeing everyone working on the screen at the same time. So give it a go. You could do it with the same word. You could do it with different words each time. You could do it with numbers. You could do different calculations to reach a number, so have different numbers down the side. You could put names on it and have a template within. You could even have a template with the names saved down here. I mean, then you could keep reusing this post as well and just adjust the spreadsheet each time. So as long as all can edit, they're all on the same spreadsheet and they're all working it together away. Will work fantastically well and get them used to so many new skills. If you want them to be able to do it in secret, the other option would be to just adjust your wording a little bit and use the fact that down at the bottom on a spreadsheet there are sheets. So you could add more and more sheets. So we could have 30 sheets along the bottom one, put their names on it so each child has their own sheet. A little bit more private, and the people on sheet 30 would have to go and find themselves, but it could add another dimension to it. And again, it's introducing them to different programs and getting them doing things quickly and efficiently on a computer. So give it a go.